Philippines, my advice gotta be Arthur Neri. He's really good at, getting the ball around. And for Team Korea, of course, our idol, Johnny Sabine. Really proud of him as a group, so yeah, we really love them.
Thank you, Marcus. Go, Kim.
For me po sa Philippine po, si Kuya Arthur Neri po. And sa Korean po, si Minho Son Binim. You can do it.